National People's Party NPP nominee James P.K. Sangma crossed a key procedural hurdle in the race for the lone Rajya Sabha seat from Meghalaya after his nomination papers were successfully cleared during scrutiny conducted at the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Secretariat on Tuesday. Returning Officer and Assembly Secretary Berth S. Sangma scrutinized the nomination documents and declared them valid, paving the way for Sangma's candidature to proceed unchallenged. Backed by the Meghalaya Democratic Alliance MDA, Sangma had filed his nomination papers on June 8th. With no rival candidate entering the fray, the contest appears headed towards an uncontested outcome. The June 11th deadline for withdrawal of nominations is expected to formally seal Sangma's election to the upper house of Parliament, barring any last-minute developments.
Can you tell us about the scrutiny today?
Yes, as part of the official process, the scrutiny took place today, and the officers of the returning officer's office, they checked all the necessary documents which I had submitted during the course of my nomination filing, and everything was found to be in order, and accordingly the scrutiny has given the go-ahead.
Okay, so what is the next course? I mean, should we wait for 11 or?
Of course, the process. No. There is a due process, and the due process, the next step would be the last date for withdrawing nominations, which is on the 11th. Yes.
So, following that, on the same day, the RO will declare.
No, that is of course not something for me to comment on. That is, the prerogative of the returning officer.
So, of course, no plan to withdraw the candidature since all supported by all the parties.
No, not at all.